I'm trying to figure out the slope of my yard, and I'm also trying to figure out how much dirt I need to bring in for this really low spot that I have photos of, so that when the water comes into my yard, it doesn't become a lake, because the 5 inches or so rain we had brought the water level up to the height of 2 of those bricks from the ground in that area, and then it sat and did not drain. It has to get over, there's a hump right there at the end where the rocks and the wall combine, and so it's got to get over that hump and then down. You can even see it here through the fence, and there's a low spot right there, and then the water pools there, so it's got to get over that spot before it can drain properly. That was with, I did a really good job. The string is level. Of course, I'm sitting a little bit higher than it, so now what I'm going to do, I've taken the measurements at 25-foot markers, at the 100-foot mark, so I know how the land goes up and down waves. I'm not sure what you call that. The lay of the land. So now I'm going to put a string against that wall. I don't even know if I have to do that, because really, well, yes, I do. I want to make sure it's level, and then I'll get another video, because we have to get a slope on that so the water will drain. That's what we have to do.